Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started. To do my brows, I'm using LA Girl's Shady Slim Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown. At first I didn't like this pencil because it doesn't have enough product on it, to be honest with you, but I use it as like my little natural go-to, I would say. And then for my tails, because you know they're a little bald head on the ends, I use Wet n Wild's brow pencil in brown, and I just fill it in. Now I'm going in with LA Pro Conceal using toffee to carve out my brows. I don't conceal the top because sometimes it look a little ashy and I don't like to have a little halo around my eyebrows. You want it to look like, oh my bad, I was feeling myself. You want it to look as blended as possible, so I just do the bottom. I don't really care for the top. The brushes that I'm using, they don't really have a name. I just got them from Amazon, but I'm going to put them in the description box below. And I'm just blending the concealer out on my eyelids. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Sweet Peaches palette, and I'm using Detectable. And I'm going to pack that in the center of my eye, and I'm going to make like a half circle shape. Because when you're doing a cut crease and you want a dark color in the center, you gotta pack that on. Like, you gotta make it dark as possible, but you want it to fit your eye shape as well. Now I'm going in with this orange shade in my MAC palette. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'm gonna list it below because I made a Z palette out of it, and it's gonna be my transition color. So you want to put that in your crease, like right where your eye has that indent, and you want to blend it in with the darker color. You want to blend upward and not down, and just add as much color as you prefer, and you just want to keep doing like windshield wiper motions. Just go from left to right, right to left, and make sure it's not too harsh. You want to add on as you go because sometimes a little goes a long way, and that's how most MAC products work. Now the color that I'm going in is like a dark burgundy color. I'll list that below as well. And I'm blending it in right in between Detectable and that orange shade because I felt like it just needed one more color to make it pop. Now I'm going in with Talk Derby to Me, and it's a dark purple with a little bit of sparkles in it. Kind of like, it looks kind of black, but it's not. But I just wanted to darken my crease a little bit. Now I'm going in with LA Pro Conceal and Warm Honey to carve out my crease. So what I did was basically I put the concealer right where my eye crease is, and I looked up so I know how far to go up, and I just drew my eye shape. So now I'm going in with my Mayo makeup pigments. I'm going to use this purplish chrome color, and I'm going to pack that on my eye with the eyeshadow brush. I'll put the link below where to buy it because I found them on Instagram, so I'm going to put their Instagram link below. So now I'm going back in with Talk Derby to Me, and I'm going to blend that out with the pigment because you want it to kind of fade away into your skin. So I'm just packing that on until I feel like it looks good enough, basically, and I'm going to do that on both eyes. Now I'm going in with this skinny shader brush, and I'm going to go around the carve of my crease to darken my crease, and then I'm going to go back in with the orange pigment from MAC to add a little bit of orange on the outside to blend everything all together. So the two foundations that I'm using today, I'm using Black Radiance, and it is in the color Brownie. I'll put the foundation link below, and I'm also going to use Clinique 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color 24 Golden. I put the Clinique foundation kind of like in my highlight areas, and then I use the Black Radiance foundation all over the rest of my face because the Clinique is a little bit too light for me. When I first got it, my skin was lighter than it was now. So I have to blend both of those together. Now I'm kind of bronzing up my face. I'm using the Covergirl Queen collection, and I'm using the color Deep pressed powder, and I'm just putting that all around my face and in the dark areas of my face. And then I'm going to go in with Toffee again, my LA Pro Conceal, and highlight my cheeks, my forehead, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my chin. Now I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush to even out the concealer and make it blend in with my foundation, because I don't want to have any harsh marks or any light marks or lines on my face. I want everything to look equal and mesh together. Now I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas, and I'm going to let it sit for a little bit.
Just wanna hold you.
Now I'm gonna contour the sides of my nose with this shader brush that I got from Ulta, and I'm gonna go back in the Covergirl bronzer.
Your body's all over mine. Oh, don't rush, baby, take your time. Me and you against the world.
Now I'm going in with my MAC 129 brush, and I'm going to be dusting off my powder with my Milani Deep compressed powder.
Yeah. Ooh, you on top of me. We move into the beat. Yeah, yeah. This is my slow jam. Whoa, whoa. My slow jam. This is my slow jam.
Now I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit more to make everything all even since I just baked.
My slow jams, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So now I'm gonna go in with my black Opal setting powder in the color medium to curve out my contour. You know, I'm gonna be looking sharp out here.
I'm ready for round two. No interruptions. Now, baby, just...
So now I'm gonna go back in with that skinny shader brush that I had used in my crease, and I'm gonna put some shadow at the bottom to connect everything.
I wanna love you, baby.
Now I'm gonna go in with Kisses eyeliner, and it's in the color white to make my eyes look a little bit wider. I usually use black eyeliner, but I didn't want to look, you know, like a raccoon, so I had to chill out with all that. Now I'm going in with NYC liquid liner, and what I do is I draw an outline first, and then I fill it in and connect everything. So now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to dip it in a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to pack the eyeshadow on top of my eyeliner just to darken my eyeshadow and make it my eyeliner, and make it, you know, just pop. This just made, you know, what, little 1 2 1 2. So now we're gonna dust off, you know, a little black opal powder. We don't want to look like a dusty auntie. Gotta get all that dust off. So now I'm gonna go back in with the Covergirl bronzer, make everything all even again. I just don't like to look ashy. Woo, Chile, y'all, let me tell you about my lashes. Okay, so I sell mixed strips. I'll put my link of my website in the description box, and this is in the style Kamaria. These are like my go-to. I named them after one of my closest friends, and I'm actually having a sale right now, so you know, go ahead, spin a rocket too. So now I'm going to go in using my Real Technique blush brush, and I'm using Sephora's blush in the color, ooh, you know, I don't even know the color, but I'm going to put it in the description box.
A lot of pressure on her shoulders. I want to take this session a little deeper.
Y'all, let me tell you about these pigments now. Oh my goodness, I don't know how it's pronounced. I'm not sure if it's Mayo makeup or MYO makeup. It's the same pigments that I use on my eye, but I used one of them as a highlighter, and ever since, ooh, that has been my crack. Okay, like, do you see the shine? So when I'm highlighting my nose, I use Benefit What's Up highlighting stick because it's creamy, and I feel like it makes my highlight look brighter than what it usually is because I set it with the Mayo makeup powder. So let me just show you this. Like, just don't believe me, just watch. So now I'm just putting the same pigment in my brow bone to make, you know, the highlight just extravagant. So now I'm going in with LA Girl lip liners. I am using this dark brown shade. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm gonna put it in the description because the way they wrapped it, it's like it covered the name of the thing. So I'm also using a nude color in the center. I'll put the name of that in the description box below as well. On top, I'm gonna use, you know, the Rose Hip Oil lip gloss from the beauty store. All my girls know. Listen, that lip gloss be popping. It is only it's only 99 cents, y'all. You better invest. Okay, look. So now I'm gonna go on with like this iridescent powder that I got from MAC when I had made my little Z palette over there. They gave it to me for free. I'm not sure what the color is called, but I'm gonna try my best to find it. I don't even know if they still sell it. I don't remember if it was limited edition or not, but I'm gonna put that in my tear ducts. Y'all, I was putting this on, man, listen, I felt like a whole fairy. I was just wow. Here's the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what else you would like me to do in the comment section.